Hey there, have you ever been confused by a problem like this? Well, in today's video, we're going over set problems. Let's do it. Alright, so this is called a set problem. So in a set problem, they'll give you two or more sets. So let's say in this scenario, 1, 2, 3 is our first set, and 3, 4, 5 is our second set. This is just hypothetical. So in set problems, there are two types of problems they can give you. There are problems with the union, which is this, and there's the problems with the intersection, which is this. Basically, the intersection is just the upside down in the union. So if this is the union right here, this top one, and this is the intersection. So what do each of them do? Well, the union takes everything from both sets, excluding the common value. So for example, if you have 3 twice, right, you would only take it one time, not 2 times. So the union of this set and this set, which would be represented like this, would be 1, 2, 3, only once, because you don't take 2 if they're in common, and 4 and 5. This would be the set that you would get when you get the union. The intersection is just, you take the elements in common. So if we take these two sets again, instead of the union sign, we can use intersection. And that intersection sign sees that only 3 is in common, which means the new set would just be 3 by itself. Now, usually in these union questions and in these set questions, the types of problems are going to ask you how many elements. In that case, all you want to do is you want to count the amount of numbers. So in this one, which we use by getting the union, there's 5 elements because there's 5 numbers. In this one, there's only 1 because there's 1 number. Alright, now that you know that, let's start with this problem. Alright, so first up, if A is equal to 2, 4, 6, 8, and 10, and B is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, A intersection B has how many elements? Alright, so we just went over what an intersection does. An intersection takes out all the common elements. So we have 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, and we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Alright, so we can see between these two sets, the only two common elements are 2 and 4 because they appear in both sets. That means if you do A intersection B, you're going to get a set that looks like 2, 4. And in a set, you always list from least to highest. So 2, 4. That is the set. Now we need to figure out how much elements there are. Well, since there are two numbers, 1 and 2, there are 2 elements. And that's your answer. Next, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24. Intersection of 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28. Intersection with 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12 has how many elements? Alright, so we can first do the intersection of these two first sets. Alright, so we can see that, is there a 4 in both sets? No, there is not, so that's not it. Is there an 8 in both sets? No, there's not, so that can't be it. Is there a 12 in both sets? Yes, there is. That means 12 is one of the common elements in our new set. So our new set starts off with 12. Then 16. Is 16 in both sets? Yes. So that's the next element. Next, is 20 in both sets? Yes. Is 24 in both sets? Yes. Is 28 in both sets? No, because it does not appear in the first set because it's only in the second set. So that means this is our new set. So this set has 4 elements. However, that's not what we're looking for, because now we're looking for this intersection with this set right here. So this intersection with 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, and 12. Alright, let's see. Let's go with this set and cross off these numbers because there are less of them. Is 12 in common between both sets? Yes. So our final set has to have 12. Is 16 in common? No. Is 20 in common? No. Is 24 in common? No. That means 12 is the only common element, meaning there is only one common element, and that's your answer. Next, A, B, C, D, E, union, C, D, E, F, G, intersection, A, B, D, E, H, I, J, K, contains a set with how many elements? Alright, so first, between A, B, C, D, E, and C, D, E, F, G, since we're taking the union, we're just taking all elements. So that's A, B, C, D, E in the first set. And then in the second set, we just automatically go to F and G because we already have C, D, and E in the first set. So it's just F, G. Alright, this is our first set. But now we need to do this intersection with A, B, D, E, H, I, J, K. Alright, so in these two sets, the common terms are A, B, D, E, and that's it. There's no more common terms, meaning there are only 4 common elements between the two sets, and that's your answer. Next, 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, intersection 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, union 2, 4, 6, 8 contains how many elements? Alright, so between 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, the common terms are 1, 3, and 5. All the other terms are not common, meaning our new set becomes 1, 3, 5. Alright, now this set is unioned with 2, 4, 6, 8. So since there are no repeating terms, we can just combine these two, and since we sort from least to greatest, the new set becomes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8. Alright, now that we know this, we need to count how much elements it has. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 elements. And that's your answer. Alright, that's it. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please make sure to show your support. These videos take a lot of effort to make, and I would really appreciate it.